Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design agriculture logo design PROCCESS start to finish. So let's get started. First, I open Illustrator. Now, paste the text and select 3 colors. Then open my drawing file. Drawing file link, check description box. Now this opacity getter than 2 less than. Now, I use a pen tool P key press. Now it's 4. Now it's. Then it's for some modified. Now it's select and copy for the other side. And it's for copy. Now I take for its. It's some hard but important. My name is Eman Azaz Chowdhury. I live in Bangladesh, Dhaka. I am a professional graphics designer. Then it's 4. Now it's 4. Now some twact and corner radius. Now, I'll use a shape builder tool other side for remove. Okay, it is perfect now. Now, I use a pen tool. It's 4. It's 4. Okay, it's look beautiful. Then this some stroke for its. Now it's 4. Then stroke it. Now fill in the gap. Now I take its. Okay, it's look beautiful. Now, I select a shape for this onion. Oh, some work. Now, I use a shape builder tool and other side remove. Color selection. This leaf green color. Again, use a pen tool for this shadow, then this look fine. Now, I use a rectangle shape. This select and copy for the other side. Select a circle. Alt press, then this copy. Again it copy. Select a line. Use shape builder tool. Then this text can be rounded. Some distance. It's okay? Then it's 4. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.